I thought I will use again this PatMcGRATH palette that looks like this, but I also need something a bit lighter in the crease, so I will take this Smashbox color from here, this one here, I think, and start with that one. This one is oh, it's not the matte palette, but it doesn't matter. I thought it's a matte palette that I took out, but this one is also, you know, just as useful. So those two are matte here, and I want to use this one here, which is a light brown Smashbox brush as well. One of the big brushes for the crease from the old collection. Yeah. So I will start with that crease color. And I apologize now for this bang, because if I fool around with it too much, I have to fix it all over again. It's not like it's in a kind of stage here. I want this to grow on the sides, and it's in a middle stage where it's really annoying, like that. So I might mix this color, and I know my brows are kind of wild too, since they're under the bang, you know, I kind of forget about them all the time, especially since I didn't do makeup for 1 week. You know, you don't need more than 1 week. And you see the brows, but I don't want to do anything to them now, because then it will just get all red and, you know, not worth it. So I think I will take a little bit of this one too, the lighter color, just a little bit here, not to emphasize too much then, since there's some brow going, wild brow. And I used Smashbox lid primer, the one in color light, my pretty big cup with coffee. I just enjoy those cups so much. It's like all the details on them, it's like, it just makes my day, or lunch, or evening, or whatever time it is. I'm a little bit of a coffee junkie. So I think now I will go for this darker brown here. This is also a matte one. And I'm taking a little bit smaller brush, maybe. So this one is synthetic. Just dabbing it in first to begin with. And then I'm starting to just blend it in a bit. Don't know really how dark I should take it with this one. I'm probably going to blend it with the one I used in the crease. But first I will do this step. I just know touching the bang all the time, it's really annoying to me. So if it's annoying to me, it's probably annoying to somebody who's watching as well. So I really apologize for that one, but really pigmented brown, but a nice one. But I think I will straightly take the other brush, it has some on it still, and go on the outer, you know, parts of it, like that. Now, I probably shouldn't complicate this look. This color has a lot of dark, I have to show you, like that, a dark base to it. So, you know, it goes with a black base, I think. So I'm really kind of starting really close. So really pretty black, kind of dryish, and going out like that, you know, up. So I'm going kind of up like that, but I still stay, you know, in this kind of place that I can still go down here. I'm taking the black with this shimmer bronze kind of brown together, mixing them together, so it will be an easier blend a bit, like here, hopefully. And a little bit around it down here too. And a little bit here too. Just to soften the edges of the black a bit. A little bit under them too. Same brush, might become a little bit messy. I'm pulling it out a bit. So I think I should go just with the bronze and the brown. Just clean this one a bit and go around with this lighter mix a tiny bit here. See, again I'm getting to this smoky kind of look, but I like a smoky eye anyway, so yeah. So really high up here with this fading kind of thing that I'm trying to do here. Here I have to go inside a little bit more just for blending purposes. So something like that. And I feel like that faded a bit, that nice thing going with these two. So I will take a little bit more of that with the same fluffier brush. Just here and dab it on here because I think it's really pretty. I'm putting it like on the black. I know I said I wanted to put the other color, but I will probably put that one too, but not over here. This brush again and the color that I started with here, why not a mix of the two matte ones from here, just to clean up a little bit around here. So now a flat brush. And I'm going into this color here. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it, because I think I took a lot of space, you know, using that. It's not a lot of space here anymore, but try to hold here a bit and I stop breathing for a second there. That one is just gorgeous. Don't know how high to take it even, because I mean when I open my eye you don't see it higher than this. So maybe I shouldn't take it any higher. I will try for once not to go overboard with this shimmer color. Let's see if I can hold myself. At least I have to take it over the crease, you know, here. Otherwise it will just look strange. So again like that. And same here, a bit higher here, and a bit lower here, like kind of a piece of cake kind of thing. You know, like a triangle, sort of round triangle like that. I really like this color. Very interesting. I think I will blend it out with this satin, gold satin from there. I'm just not using the same brush. I'm not using the same brush. I'm using one of those. So now this light golden shade from here. And trying to blend it in here with this one. Yeah, that's perfect. Very slight satin gold under here a bit, like that, kind of wide, in a wide, you know, area here. I know there's wrinkles and stuff too, but hey, we don't look at those things when we're doing makeup, because then we don't want to do it at all, right? Just have to do it and enjoy the color. That's what I think. So here, yeah, that's really pretty together, I think. A little bit inside this. So I'm taking this inner color, this satin gold, a little bit over this one here to blend with. This one is not a good brush for this at all. It's too stiff. Too stiff and annoying. That's what it is. A little bit of a blending tool here. It won't be too precise, this whole thing. And now I will use this one for it. So again, this, whatever color it is, this shiny, dirty gold. There's some green in it too, green and black. Very, very interesting. So just like that, so that, you know, when I have my bangs down, you actually see just this, pretty much the under eye area. That's what it's come down to, pretty much. So I'm taking again a little bit of the satin gold to blend with, and maybe I should take a little bit of this color here for the outer part here. Yeah, make it a little bit more brown and it's not so muddy looking. Also because it's not matte, it's easier to manage it. Less matte, easier to manage. That's just how it goes with these kind of things. Yeah, I mean, you hardly see anyone complaining about a satin eyeshadow, but mattes can be a big problem sometimes. Oh, but I just love it here with this. A little bit extra of this bronze here. Okay, I will take again this one and go around a bit. I know the glitter will go a little bit all over, the shimmer, what you call it. I don't mind. I don't mind that it goes a little bit like that. It's just, you know, just not perfect. Yeah. So I'm pretty much done with this palette now, I think. And a little bit of something, maybe I should just use the black and stamp it in here a bit as a liner. I think that's what I will do, and I will be back for the skin. Okay, so it turns out that I didn't tape for quite a while already. Don't know how much I didn't tape. But I tried to use this one a bit again for contour, and I'm not used to contouring my face at all. Like, let's say, at all. I usually don't do it. I just add some bronzer or, you know, to warm up the skin, or some highlight, mostly highlight, and blush. The older you get, the less contouring you probably need to do, because everything starts to go in hollows anyways. So I'm taking this really pretty packaging from Guerlain. I hope there's something good in it. Well, if it's a bronzer, it's good, because Guerlain, they sure know how to make good bronzers. So as you can see, I used only half of it, this part, and it has this really pretty pink in it too, so you don't need a blush. You can just use this all together, which I do. And I didn't use this one just because it looked so pretty, so I thought I will leave half of it looking as pretty as it looked in the beginning. Oh, again, the scents in the Guerlain products is like, whoa. So up here, don't want to take it too close inside the face. Inside, you know, in the middle. And as you can see, it's just kind of a peachy bronze that it gives. Let the scent go all over the place. It's so gorgeous. It's like you spray the perfume all over the place. So I suppose it's not gonna work, you know, it's gonna go all over. So that's just the way it is. But it's a really nice bronzer. And let's say I'm not buying makeup to keep it like and not use it, no matter how pretty it looks. I mean, it was gorgeous, like with the gold overspray, you know. Of course it looks pretty, but I want to use it, and they're really good bronzers, you know. So if already you have those, use them. Don't wait for a rainy day to use those kind of pretty things. I mean, use them. Smell it. Inhale it. This you inhale. The loose powder you don't. I can't believe I almost forgot highlighter. I'm using this Whisper of Guilt from MAC. That looks like this with the snowflake in it. So this one is really nice and golden. And I will take a brush like this for it. So swirl it in the snowflake. And trying to be a bit lighter with it. I mean, I know I'm overdoing highlights every time I use them. That's probably more than enough for my skin. It's just so much fun to use those things, I don't know. Like that. I could probably go in here with it too, I mean, it's under there. Why not make it a little bit nice here too? Now, why not use it here a bit too? Here in the dip a bit. I don't know. I like kind of making a little bit of light over there because it goes so low inside over there. Okay, I used the MAC Dervish lip liner, and then I'm using a Loof and in the middle, and this Smashbox Cognac in the outer corners. I think that will look okay. Don't know what a Loof has to do with this look, but it was right here in front of me, so a gift of purchase. Too light color, but in the middle it's good. Yeah, I'm not so sure about the lip color, but hey, let's dab it a bit. It's too dry, it looks disgusting. You know what, for the lips I should just have used this Clarins in number 6, I believe it is. Oh, it's so nice to put on.